find the real total monthly payment for a house whose assessed value is $165,000. The mortgage loan is for $140,000 at 6.25% for 30 years. The real estate tax is 2.25% of the assessed value, and insurance is $360 per year. So what this problem is doing is sort of showing you the other costs that are involved in owning a home, okay? And I do want to mention that we're not just limited to tax and insurance, right? There's HOA fees if you have it, utilities, landscaping, a lot of other things that goes into owning a home. Okay, so here we're just going to focus on these three, right? So we have the mortgage payment. Okay, so this is just the mortgage payment. We're going to use the method that we've been using. Okay. We also need to find the taxes. Okay, and we also need to determine the insurance. Now, just a note here, make sure you read the question carefully. Okay, we're going to find the monthly payment. All right, so we want to make sure we know what values we're dealing with. Okay, first to find the mortgage payment, we're going to use the table. So you want to look at the table in your textbook, look for the entry that corresponds to 6.25%, and the time is 30 years. If you look in that table, you should see that entry is 6.1572. This represents how many dollars we are paying for every $1,000 we borrow, right? So we are borrowing $140,000. So I'm going to divide that by 1,000. And this result is going to give us our mortgage payment. In this case, $862.01. Okay, so we're going to round that to the nearest cent here. Now to find the taxes are always based on the assessed value. Notice that the mortgage loan, right, the amount that we're borrowing to purchase the house is $140,000, but in this case, the assessed value is $165,000. So actually, the county will always send you a letter every year telling you what they believe the assessed value is. Okay. Also, when you want to buy or sell a home, okay, you're always going to want to make sure you get this amount. Okay. So we know that the taxes is 2.25% of the assessed value, right? So we're going to take that 165,000. Okay, multiply that by the percentage. Now remember, you want to use the decimal form, so 0.0225. Okay. Now by doing so, we get $3,712.50. But remember, this is how much taxes you pay yearly. Okay. So we want to determine the monthly amount, so we'll divide this by 12 and round the answer as well. We get $309.38. Okay. So that will be the monthly taxes, and then finally the insurance, right? The insurance is $360 per year, so we'll take that 360, divide that by 12, which gives us 30. Okay, so we have the mortgage payment, we have the tax, and we have the insurance. Okay. Basically, if you add these three numbers together, we will get the monthly payment, right? Which in this case gives us $1,201.39.